आपकी लाइफ में वो अमर विश्वास आप किस पर रखते हो अपार्ट फ्रॉम द क्राफ्ट व्हाट यू प्रोड्यूस?
खुद पर हमेशा से अमर रहा है. It's all about believing, self-belief. I think I wouldn't have survived in this industry if I didn't have that self-belief.
मुझे एक इंसान पर उससे भी ज़्यादा है मेरी माँ पर.
And also the way you trigger him in certain points,
Correct.
especially the past.
Well understood, Samina, I must say. You just seem to,
Cricketing
you've
terms
understood.
में-
I hope you were not sent the whole thing पहले से कि बता दो उसको कि ये था. So firstly, I've never strategized my move. Never. People think that कि इसकी strategy होगी पक्का ये. They don't know that I don't think about work when I'm not working. Medium doesn't matter, project matters. Because the medium doesn't last forever, the project matters. And this is all that I've learned from my own experiences.
So the basic is that I feel सब में feelings होती हैं. अलग अलग कैरेक्टर में कौन सी enhanced होती हैं वो आपको उस पे फोकस करना पड़ता है. You have to get it out of yourself.
True.
And like you said, I have to intimidate him.
Yes.
Now that's not a small thing because he वैसे ही as an actor he is very good
Yeah.
and his character in the thing is also a very strong guy.
Yes. Hi, this is Amina Sheikh here on Zoom channel, and with me right now I have the star cast of Amar Vishwas. So join me as I welcome all of them only on Zoom. First of all, when I speak about something like Amar Vishwas, the term itself, आपकी लाइफ में वो अमर विश्वास आप किस पर रखते हो अपार्ट फ्रॉम द क्राफ्ट व्हाट यू प्रोड्यूस?
खुद पर हमेशा से अमर रहा है. It's all about believing, self-belief. I think I wouldn't have survived in this industry if I didn't have that self-belief. That come hail, come storm, come whatever, I am not going to let my self-belief get shaken up and will not compromise with my way of value system. I would probably stick to my basics and go forward. And I think it's been good 2 decades of being around.
मैं अगर इतना ब्यूटीफुल भारी भरकम वर्ड आपने यूज किया अमर विश्वास सिर्फ एक ही पे. ये थोड़ा सीरियस हो गया लेकिन इट्स अ जेन्युइन थिंग. द मैन ऑन टॉप.
Both of them are absolutely correct. खुद पर ऊपर वाले पर बट मुझे एक इंसान पर उससे भी ज़्यादा है मेरी माँ पर. सो आई थिंक whatever I am is because of her prayers. तो वो विश्वास के साथ मैं चलता हूँ. कुछ गलत करूँगा संभाल लेगी.
There is a shield.
Yeah.
There's a shield.
Yeah.
Talking about this show also, it's very interesting as I started watching. It talks about a murder mystery और फिर गुत्थी पे गुत्थी, गुत्थी पे गुत्थी, two sides of the tales and an argument between you two. You're a different character altogether. We are searching that character and of course I don't want to kind of like reveal certain
Yeah.
things. But how was it working on a project like this where you have to also kind of perform in a certain manner where it's more of an intellectual calculation than just going into rushing into things?
For me, it was very interesting. I took the project only because I knew it's not just a murder mystery. It's also about the story of this guy, character, story of this character, story of this character. Personally, for me, the character appealed to me only because there were some complexities inside and there were a lot of complexities outside. You know, to be in that environment was quite exciting. And not much you will know in this season, obviously, which means that they have planned for
Yeah.
season 2. So, but you know that there is this very hard-hitting backstory of this guy, which comes out in bits and pieces, you know, to keep you intrigued. So, for me, all of that, while he's orchestrating this whole thing and fighting guys like him who are practically undefeatable.
Oh my God.
If, I mean, in the court at least.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think I'll accept that.
Yeah.
In all humility.
Yes.
Yeah, so that whole thing is quite exciting.
You do confuse him, I must say that at some places where he's feeling like
But
literally helpless. He's
That's
like,
my
"What
job.
do I do?"
That's my job to confuse him. That's what a lawyer is all about.
And if she's feeling it, then the job well
Then
done.
the job, yes. So yeah. So to me it is, we have a backstory, like which will be revealed later.
Yeah.
तो मेरा मेन लक्ष्य है कि
तोड़ो.
he has to lose. किसके सामने लड़ रहा है? And of course he has a very middle ground kind of attitude कि जब तक prove नहीं होता, I don't trust anyone. So that is the basic feel that I went with.
And also the way you trigger him in certain points,
Correct.
especially the past,
Yes.
where he really feels helpless because that is the vulnerable side of his. And I feel
Yes.
that is where he also kinds of like, would I
Correct.
be able to? You're making him perplexed of what he's trying to achieve out of what he's doing.
Correct. वो cricket
Well understood, Samina, I must say. You've just seen two.
Cricketing
You've
terms
understood.
में-
I hope you were not sent the whole thing पहले से कि बता दो उसको कि ये था.
सब
was
पता चल रहा है
watching
सब
I
पता
was
चल रहा है
आपने तो
watching it.
समीना लिखा नहीं है.
अगर तुम्हारी ऐसे हर ऑडियंस को इतना समझ में लग गया तो बहुत ही
I
कमाल
was
हो
watching it with a lot of interest, I
Yeah.
must say that. But coming to you, as
Yeah.
I said, that your character is something which is on the developing, stage
Yeah.
where I have been watching it, and a lot of things will unfold. Being the best friend of someone who's already murdered, and someone who has a lifestyle which is very different and havoc. And
Yeah.
what was your role, and if you could elaborate furthermore, because I don't want to say and like admit to people out there,
Yeah.
but playing grey shades have not then been something which Amir Ali has been known as. So tell us something about that.
I love doing it. That's why I'm doing this project. I went with the vibe of the whole show. They were portraying this show in a certain way. Realism ho ya emotion ho. It's not only about courtroom drama, it's also about human emotions which they picked up really well with all the characters. And I just went with that vibe and grey करने में मज़ा आता है यार. मतलब as an actor black and white कर के थक गए. So I just pick up characters that are challenging now because that's the only way I'll keep working. Otherwise bore हो जाऊंगा.
And coming to you, to each one of you, personally also, as we see the journey of you all as actors, you have taken a complete transition of moving from the world of TV, cutting off and taking a break of 6-7 years to be in the world of cinema, to be in the world of OTT. That takes a lot of patience, especially when an industry which, if you just disappear, they don't really recon, in terms of your roles. You kind of purposely take that, you took that decision. You have changed your chocolate boy image to doing certain roles like this, which are very serious. Working in a film, like, working with some producers like, Hansel Mehta for that matter, and doing something like this. How was it for you? Because I know that for an actor, even the face value matters a lot. The presence matters. To cut off on that, how was it for you?
यार मेरे में बहुत खराब पॉइंट्स होंगे लेकिन एक जो चीज़ को लेकर मैं प्राउड हूँ दैट आई एम कॉन्फिडेंट बाय नेचर. आई एम नॉट स्कैर्ड कि मैं चला जाऊँगा. मैं जानता हूँ होता है ये, बहुत सारे लोग 1 साल के बाद छोड़ते फिर वापस भाग के आ जाते कि मैं गायब ना हो जाऊँ. आई एक्चुअली डोंट केयर. I don't mind taking a chance. I've done enough work on television and I'm sure Rajiv also will agree with that because we come from that background. He was senior to me, but he also took a break and did what he wanted to then. So there's a point in everyone's career where you take a break. You want to do something what you want to do then. And that's what I did. Worked with some great makers last couple of years. I'm also trying to just figure out how to place myself. But right now I'm just concentrating on good work, the work that gives me happiness. हंसल सर के साथ बहुत साल के बाद मैंने काम किया. पिछले साल एक शो कॉल लुटेरे एंड फराज. कार्तिक एंड अर्जुन जो इस शो के प्रोड्यूसर्स हैं उनके साथ हमने 5 साल के बाद यू वर्कड विद देम.
कोविड में किया था ना अपन ने
हमने
काम.
कोविड में मेरा पहला ओटीटी शो उनके साथ किया था. So I'm working with them also after 5-6 years. So it's good to work with your old people, old friends who do such good work now.
Coming to you, Rajiv, you are someone who's reclusive overall in terms of your social media presence or even going to social events. You have maintained that for over the years, and as an actor at a stature where people have been crazy about you, the entire Sujal moment for you. Being a director, starting off with engineer first, and then director, then acting, then of course, ensuring that you make your moves very categorically or strategizing it. How things have turned out for you? Going by the projects, what you're doing, of course, it's been great. Be it Amir, be it Table Number 21, be it something like this. But at the same time, it doesn't come out very easily.
So firstly, I've never strategized my move. Never. People think that इसकी strategy होगी पक्का है. They don't know that I don't think about work when I'm not working.
Okay.
I don't think about work. Like कि मैं बैठे बैठे ये सोच रहा हूँ कि यार मैं काम कौन सा आएगा, क्या करूँगा, क्या करना चाहिए next मुझे. I have never. And this is unlike how people perceive me, how they look at me.
Yes.
Most of the times I come across people who think कि तूने पहले ये किया, फिर तूने छोड़ दिया, फिर तूने आमिर किया, फिर तूने सच का सामना किया, फिर तूने ये सब किया, तो सोचता कैसे था, स्ट्रैटेजी करता था तू,
Correct.
बट नेवर,
हाँ.
इट वाज ऑलवेज अबाउट ओके दिस इज व्हाट इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी, इसमें से मुझे क्या अच्छा लगता है. Medium doesn't matter, project matters, because the medium doesn't last forever, the project matters. And this is all that I have learned from my own experiences. What lasted the longest? What lasted for was it the medium or was it the project?
Yeah.
And if you look at it, even now, like I was in Thailand yesterday,
Yeah.
and I met somebody who came to me and said, "Sir, मैंने ना अभी आपकी एक फिल्म देखी, साउंड ट्रैक." मैंने कहा 2013 में कभी आई थी यार, तूने कब देखी वो? बोला अभी देखी सर. सर क्या फिल्म थी? मैंने आई वाज थिंकिंग, मैंने कहा इफ अ प्रोजेक्ट हैज टू लास्ट, it has lasted for the content. No, he must have probably watched it on his phone, which was shot for a film.
Yeah.
So, and which was shot that long back.
Wow.
So what I mean to say is that I never strategized my move, and I've been pretty happy because I don't need to say it anymore. Because earlier people used to think कि ये ना अभी सिर्फ diplomatically बोल रहा है. But if you go back again to those Sujar days, I had taken a year and a half का break उसके बाद. मैं मम्मी को कहीं घुमा रहा था, कहीं खुद घूम रहा था मैं. I just took और उस टाइम पे people said, this is the biggest risk that you are taking. So it has been that consistent pattern of mine, which is not pattern of mine, which is me. कि आपने किया उसके बाद चले गए. And उसके बाद like I'm saying, whatever is offered to me, I pick up whichever is whatever appeals to me the most. So yes, I know what you were saying. A lot of people say इसको तो बहुत काम करना चाहिए था, तुझे तो राजीव वहाँ होना चाहिए था.
Correct.
That is the standard thing that I've heard, but I always say this is how you look at me. This is probably how you wanted me.
Yeah.
This is not how I wanted to approach my career.
True. Coming to you, sir, Narsimha, the film which you worked on, then taking a break in terms of moving to Boogie Woogie, which became your IP for 15 long years, being a host. Coming from a family which is in the industry, the Behel family, and you know the do's and don'ts, how the things function also, and then moving to something like a night manager and being nervous, being on camera. How did you ensure?
I see you've done your research, being nervous for the night.
ये
Very
बहुत
good.
sharp है.
I like that.
बहुत sharp.
Go ahead.
So, coming to that, from night manager to then this one, again, you're taking a role like that of a lawyer who has to intimidate his junior while trying to kind of calculate whatever is happening around that. How was it, the transition for you from Narsimha to Boogie Woogie to night manager and OTT shows?
So yeah, coming from a film family, एक तरह से आप correct हैं. My dad was a producer, but when I was around 10 years old, he passed away. And after that, we were not very into the movies. But yeah, fortunately, मैंने बचपन में as a child actor, I was the lead of that film. It was called Morcha. वहाँ से मेरा सिलसिला शुरू हुआ. So I can easily say that I've been in the film industry for 48 years. I was 11 when I did my first film,
Okay.
and I'm 59, gonna be 60 in May.
Wow.
I'm pretty cool with that. So yeah, the transition was, there have been an assortment of things that I've done.
Correct.
From a child actor to then winning All India Dance Championships as a dancer, then getting in, when I grew up, I did Narsimha, Agni Sakshi, Dalal, all these films. Then Boogie Woogie happened.
Yes.
So life has always been flavorful. अलग अलग चीजें करने को मिली है. एंड फिर नाइट मैनेजर का जैसे 10 साल का ब्रेक लिया था, बूगी वूगी खत्म हुआ, उसके बाद कुछ नहीं किया.
Correct.
There was a 10-year gap, and then during COVID I said, now I want to work. That's how the night manager happened, and one thing led to another. So the basic is that I feel सब में feelings होती हैं, अलग अलग कैरेक्टर में कौन सी enhanced होती हैं, वो आपको उस पे फोकस करना पड़ता है. You have to get it out of yourself.
True.
And like you said, I have to intimidate him.
Yes.
Now that's not a small thing, because he वैसे ही as an actor he is very good,
Yeah.
and his character in the thing is also a very strong guy.
Yes.
So it was a lot of fun.
But that intimidating part तो naturally आता होगा ना आप में.
हाँ कुछ ऐसा है
ना?
है,
हम लोग
है,
उससे बड़े
है।
intimidated
अब वो अब थोड़ा बहुत है लेकिन आई एम नॉट लाइक दैट कुछ भी बोलता है
But to all of you, before I also let you go, this also speaks about a topic which is about the Me Too movement. And I love the way, he says a story about the Me Too versus you, depict it. And something which we speak of, more so, not going to what has happened already during lockdown and we have done. Over here, it also showcases how a producer kind of tries to get, women, luring them or, getting into that entire dark sides of things. And now when we see on social media, we speak about so many chapters out there to kind of delegate a topic like that, which is very delicate also at the same time. How careful were you? Because touching a subject like that also kinds of, goes out of proportion. Why again they're bringing that?
Now that you are talking about it, let me just tell you one thing. Amar Vishwas is based on a novel, all right?
Yeah.
A novel which was written about 23, 25 years ago, I think.
Okay.
So this subject is not because it is topical. ये इसलिए नहीं है क्योंकि अभी आजकल चल रहा है तो इसी के ऊपर से बना दो आप.
True.
This was written then, which means it was prevalent back in the day then.
Yes.
Which means that for decades and decades this has been going on. And probably for the last decade this talk has also been going on. But it still is relevant. It's still around us. So which means it has not died down. So one beauty of this thing is that ये भले ही लगता हो कि अच्छा maybe this is trying to be topical and trying to encash on the whole Me Too movement. No, this was written 25 साल पहले.
Yeah.
So it became interesting. How did we approach the subject? I think we didn't really had to think too much about it because already a lot has been spoken about it.
Yes.
This was more about a story about this one, and that's how we approached it. Like we weren't walking on eggshells. मतलब कि ये करना चाहिए या नहीं बोलना चाहिए.
Yes.
I think he was lending voice to one kind of reasoning,
Yes.
and I was lending my voice to one kind of reasoning. So it's two different kind of reasonings, and the truth, and whatever every character is bringing onto the table.
Yeah.
So it's an exciting premise.
And before I let all of you go, now that Amar Vishwas is going to catch up with the audience, I'm sure. I feel so, at least for sure. What are you going to aim at in terms of projects? Because doing something which is serious kind of again makes you kind of dive into something like that, or would you like to explore something which is on a humorous side to all of you?
For me, obviously, I mean, last couple of projects, if you see, it was Showtime, where I'm playing a Casanova star.
Yeah.
And then Shiledar, where I was playing a guy who's into adventures. And all this. So I don't think that I would like to limit my my approach by thinking that I would want to do a particular character. It's always fun to read a character that you had not imagined. And so yeah, so like always, like for the last 20 years, I'm going to keep my slate completely clear.
So just going to keep it easy.
Yeah.
Going to do what I like. Quality over quantity. जो दिल को अच्छा लगता है वो करना है. अब वो क्या है, किस टाइप का कैरेक्टर है, जैसे आपने खुद ही बोल दिया कि वहां से शुरू किया, वो अलग था, ये अलग था, ये अलग था. इट्स लाइफ, व्हाटएवर एक्साइट्स यू. मतलब बॉटम लाइन है, अपने आप को गेज करना है. तो जब आप सुबह उठते हैं काम पे जाने के लिए, यू शुड बी एक्साइटेड कि यार आज कुछ करेंगे, यार अलग करेंगे, लुक फॉरवर्ड टू योर वर्क. इट कुड बी इन एनी फॉर्म. तो कोई दायरा ऐसा बंधा हुआ नहीं है कि मुझे इस टाइप का रोल करना है या उस टाइप का. मुझे अच्छा काम करना है जो मुझे अच्छा लगे. सो दैट वे.
जो बोल रहे थे मैं सुन रहा था, मैं भी सोच रहा था. जैसे आपने बताया ग्रे कैरेक्टर है, था मुझे कुछ मे बी डार्कर जाना है,
More than that, yeah.
मोर देन दैट, या कुछ फन करना है. बहुत टाइम से मैंने कॉमेडी नहीं की. आई वुड लाइक टू रीविजिट डूइंग समथिंग फन अगेन. बहुत टाइम से,
Yeah.
बिकॉज दैट वन फनी शो आई डिड, मैंने अपने आप को दूर रखा कि कुछ भी फनी नहीं करना है मुझे. आई वांट टू डू समथिंग सीरियस, समथिंग इंटेंस. बट
You
व्हाइल दे
kind
वर
of
टॉकिंग,
broke that shell around you, I feel.
yeah, I think I was trying to do that. Yeah, so इनकी बात सुन के मुझे लग रहा है कि मुझे मे बी वापस रिविजिट करना है. It gave me a lot of happiness when I was doing something fun.
Yeah.
So,
Never
yeah.
know. Well, on that note, I must say that I loved interacting with all of you and doing my
Same.
research work
Same.
and knowing more about the characters. But looking forward to this one, see more episodes, and thank you so much for an interaction.
Thank you,
Thank
Samira.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.